A few months back, I contacted AR Takedown Tool, and Jonathan, the owner, sent me out the AR Takedown Gunsmith Set for review. And I went over quite a few features of this set. And at the time, when I went to take the buttstock off, I used this little small punch. I'm going to stand up here to take this off. And you can see it will come off. Well, the next time I got ready to do it, I said, well, I'm going to take the brass one, which is a little bit bigger punch. It's a free 30 seconds. And when I went to do it with this time, stand up again and pulled it down. You can see it will bend. And I bent it, and I probably should have known better, but I did. And I contacted Jonathan. He said, I'll be happy to send you a replacement out. Said, we have a 100% guarantee on our products. They're made in the USA. And as I said, he designed them himself. So after I bent that, I took my free 30 seconds steel punch from my Leatherman mutt. As you can see, it will not do it now. But I've got some good news. Jonathan's come out with a set of steel punches now, designed for the AK and other firearms. And hopefully he'll send me a set of those out for review as soon as he gets some back in stock. They are sold out at the moment. But I do want to show everyone a few things that you cannot do with these, and in order to save yourself some headaches. Well, I'm going to straighten it back out just a tad, and it will, you can straighten it out, but it's not going to be completely. Like I said, he sent me a brand new one. You just cannot use the brass on your steel pins when you're trying to take them out, such as this one. I would recommend using this one. Get it started, then you can turn it around and you can take one of the smaller ones and you can punch it all the way through. The brass is just the brass is softer, and it just won't hold up for that. It's great punching pins out. It's good for that. But I really like the spring action on all these tools. The kinetic energy was a novel idea. But the main thing I want to let everyone know, they stand behind their products, and I'm happy to see that they've added a few more since this came out. Go to their website. I am an affiliate with them. I was that pleased with the products. Like and subscribe to the Bearded Sharpener Facebook page. Like and subscribe to the AR Takedown Tool Facebook page. Be sure to sign up and subscribe to the Bearded Sharpener YouTube channel, and we can continue to bring great products for review. I believe, as everyone has seen now, I try to bring all the products that are related to what we're after here with the firearms, the knives, concealed carry. As many as you noticed, I've reviewed several vices lately, and that's a great tool for everyone to have. Can't thank everyone enough. Can't thank Jonathan enough. Till next time, have a good day.